2 weeks ago, my hair was so dry and breaking, but after I used this flaxseed and okra leave-in conditioner that I made by myself, my hair feel alive again. It's growing fast, it's soft and shining and very healthy, and I cannot even stop touching my hair. Let me show you guys how I made this leave-in conditioner. So please stay tuned with me and watch it to the end, because this pumping leave-in conditioner, I know your hair is going to thank you. You yourself, you are going to enjoy it after using it into your hair. So let's start the video now, guys.
Hi my people, today we are going to do leave-in conditioning for me and my daughter. My daughter is having low porosity hair and I'm having high porosity hair. So this leave-in conditioner is going to be both of us. She can use it, I can use it. I'm going to balance it with the ingredients. So please come along so that we all do what we'll do it together. Let's start the video.
Okay guys, now I'm starting from my shea butter. This shea butter come from my village. So I need 1 tablespoon of shea butter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this one into 2, because this one this amount is more than tablespoon, right? Yeah, it's more than tablespoon. So I have to divide it, or I'll make one is big, one can be small, so that yes, so I'm taking the small one so that maybe I can use it for maybe another recipe. So after that also, I put it inside my bowl. So the next butter that I'm going to add is my avocado butter, right? Avocado butter is also good for those who have a low porosity hair. So this leave-in conditioner is going to contain me and my daughter, because her hair type and my hair type, we don't have the same hair type. But right now, because of the time, I don't have time for now to make separate leave-in conditioner for her and myself. So I'll just use this for us to use. Maybe later I will make her own. So now I'm adding my mango butter also. I added shea butter, 1 tablespoon of shea butter, 1 tablespoon of mango butter, and 1 tablespoon of avocado butter. So that one also I'm adding into my bowl, adding to other ingredients. So please stay tuned with me, because definitely I will just going to summarize the benefit for you guys, so that in case you are going to do, and also you can check the description below. I will write the ingredients, the quantity that I used to make the leave-in conditioner. If you are interested, you want to make your own, so that you can see the ingredients that I use, the quantity, so that you also can make yours. So this one I'm making 250 ml, okay, ml 250. So I'm just taking these measurements to see whether I will get exactly what I'm looking for or not. So let's continue. So now I'm going to add beeswax. That one is optional. You can do your leave-in conditioner without adding the beeswax, but for me, I'm adding it inside. I'm just added some teaspoon, half teaspoon inside, a little bit inside. So that one also, because this leave-in conditioner is very good. I use it, my hair was so something else that I cannot tell you guys, because it was look like I just forget of my hair, just taking care of my daughter hair. So after I used this leave-in conditioner for 2 weeks, oh my god, my hair was so amazing. So and that one also we finished it, because I was just make it a little small for 2 weeks, but after that I see the benefit. I say no, let me do it for me and my daughter also to start using again. So now I bring my ingredients to, I'm going to melt it, those butters. That one I put inside to be making double boil method. So while I put it inside like this, I'm going to take you guys also back again for us to go and start preparing the other ingredients by the time that the butter and the beeswax wire is melt, so that we bring it out here to add to other ingredients. So now my first ingredients that I'm adding here also is going to be my okra and flaxseed gel. Okay, this thing I need about 4 to 5 tablespoons, but I know it's going to be very difficult. It's going to be very difficult. So first I'm going to add 3, but the other ones I'm going to be adding a small inside while I'm mixing the things. Okay, but now I need 3 tablespoons to put inside my bowl but I don't know, it's not going to be easier for me to cut this gel. As you guys can see, those, let me know in the comments below, have you ever used flaxseed and okra gel in your hair before? How, if you use it, how was your experience? How your hair feel? Please leave your comments to the comments below. Okay, so I'm adding my flaxseed, I'm putting my flaxseed into my bowl, and also, definitely we'll still add some oils inside, so stay tuned with me. So while I'm adding it inside, let me just take you guys along for me to just summarize the key benefit of this leave-in conditioner. So now I'm going to add my aloe vera oil inside. Okay, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera oil inside. Please, aloe vera oil, you can use this way, or if you have infusing oil also, you can use your infusing oil to do what, to make this thing. But for me, I'm not using infusing oil of here because of what I told you people is for me and my daughter, for the hair different type. That's why I'm using this way. So now I'm adding my cold pressed avocado oil, which I made for myself. This video, I don't know, I'm going to post it for my daughter channel, which is called Princesshaircare. So if you are watching this video and you are interested to see how I made my cold pressed avocado oil, please check the channel. You will see the video over there and watch it. Okay, how to make your own avocado oil. So now, after add my avocado oil, my next ingredient that we are my other oil, the oil that I'm going to add next also is going to be my jojoba oil. Okay, so I'm going to put that one also, 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil that I'm adding. Please, even if you want, you can be screenshotting it, or you can just write it somewhere, the ingredients that I'm using and the quantity. If you want to make 250 ml, the quantity that you can use to get the exact amount. So now I'm adding sweet almond oil that I'm going to add inside. That one also, I need 1 tablespoon of it to put inside to add my ingredients. But these things is very, very good. You can use it for all hair type, whether you are having high or you have low or medium, or what type of hair type that you have. If you use all this oil the way I'm doing, definitely you are going to benefit something. You both of you can do what, can apply it to your hair. So now the next thing that I'm going to add is my rosemary. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon inside. Okay, 1 teaspoon inside. I'm not adding it much. 1 teaspoon I added inside. And also I'm going to add my olive oil also inside. That one also, olive oil, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon because I need it small to be to be part of these ingredients. And olive oil is not good for those who have low porosity hair, so I'm putting 1 teaspoon olive oil inside to balance my ingredients. So right, so now after put all those ingredients, it's haven't finished there. Okay, but let me just take you back to be explaining something small for you people, summarize something small, because the key benefit of these things, this leave-in conditioner, at least I have to tell you guys the key benefit of these ingredients. Flaxseed, let's start from the flaxseed. Flaxseed benefit is defending curls and adding shining. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acid, also helping hair grow if you are looking for a way to grow your hair faster and grow. So guys, now you can see that's my mango butter, avocado and shea butter plus my bee wax that I mix it, I put into the double boil metal. So now I bring it here. I'm going to allow it like 10 to 15 minutes for it to get cold before I start to mix it with this ingredient. So guys, let's continue. And after that also, okra also is natural conditioning your hair, is fighting for freezing and softening strands. So okra is, and also is part, is having a lot of vitamins inside. So okra gel is very good for hair growth. At least I know so many people, those who tried whether okra gel or flaxseed gel, you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. about. And if you don't know it, then please go and do your research and also start reusing it. So now guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start mixing, putting the oil into my gel, mixing it small until I get the tasted the cream that I'm looking for. So now let's continue to see shea butter. The while I was going to melt, I put shea butter inside 1 tablespoon of shea butter. Shea butter also is deep moisturizing your hair and replacing damaging hair, adding thickness to your hair. If you want your hair to get thick and you are using shea butter, is going to help you. But mind you guys, you see amount that I do, if you know that you have a high porosity hair, that you can use shea butter any amount that you want. But if your hair type is a low porosity, please make sure you don't overload the shea butter into your ingredients. Okay, yes. So now let's continue to check and see our mango butter. Mango butter also is locking in moisture into your hair, adding slippery and preventing your hair from breaking. If your hair is breaking and you are using mango butter, it's going to prevent it from breaking. As I told you guys earlier, the ending or the beginning, sorry, the beginning of this video, I told you people 2 weeks ago I was noticed that my hair was not good. My hair was started breaking. I say, oh my god, what am I do? It looked like I forgot of everything. I forgot of myself. I forgot of my hair. I say no, I have to take reaction for that, because I cannot be sitting looking, taking care of my daughter hair and my hair start to do something dry like this. So I make this thing, this leave-in conditioner. I use it before even making this one again. But that video I didn't make video because I was just in hurry, want something to start, to protect my hair, to make my hair come back to normal life. So after that, after using it for 2 weeks guys, my hair was started, it was so amazing and very soft. It has come back again to alive, and I was not even I can't stop touching my hair because of the softness and the things that the healthy, or how much the volume, sorry, the volume that I got from this leave-in conditioner, it was make me all the time my hand was inside my head all the time. So now touching my hair, so now I say, why not, after it's finished, it just left small. I say, okay, let me make this badge for that one day, because I want my daughter also to use this one. So let me make it, because her also leave-in conditioner is finished and my also is just left small like this. So when I make this one, so that both of us can do what we can, all can use it. So now after I'm adding my lavender essential oil, this lavender essential oil just left small. So I think I will just add some, open this way and add some few drop inside again inside of it. So now let's check and see our avocado butter. Avocado butter also is rich in vitamins, which is vitamin A, vitamin D, and vitamin E. It also strengthens hair and protecting hair from breaking, from damaging, or any bad thing, bacteria that is going to enter your hair. Avocado butter is protecting your hair very well, and also replacing like damaging hair if you have damaging hair. So guys, after that I added vitamin E oil, and now I'm adding my vegetable glycerin also inside, and also the ingredients I will still continue to tell you. I added beeswax when I was melting my, doing the double boil method with my shea butter. So now this is my mango essential oil. That one also I'm going to add inside. Okay, so please check the description below. I will narrate everything that I use. I will tell you guys, maybe you can check it over there to grab the things that I use inside. So now after that also, let's check and see. Sweet almond oil is also adding shining and promoting or smoothing your hair. And also, like if your hair started coming out, the edges, the small one just started, when you are using sweet almond oil, is going to help you, to protect those hair from not to any harm cannot touch it. It's going. Jojoba oil also is balancing simples and improving scalp healthy, while rosemary also is boosting blood circulation, improve, and also promoting faster hair growth, And olive oil also is adding soft and strengthen ends, your hair ends. Okay, so these things are very good and is very powerful. And also I added vitamin E oil inside. Vitamin E oil also is protecting from freezing, reducing damaging and supporting hair growth. How, what do you want again, guys? After everything what I was showing to you guys is my preservative. Okay, because this thing actually I'm putting the preservative, or I'm going to put inside because I want it to take a little bit long. So now I just remove the thing from the my lavender oil stick to use that one to take my preservative, to put about 10 to 12 drop inside, because Jamie Plus is very strong. So when you are going to put preservative to your things, you have to be careful, especially it depends of the which branch that you are using. This one is very strong, so you have to put, if you are making 250 ml leave-in conditioner, then you have to put about 10 drop inside. Okay, this one is very strong, so I added about 10 drop inside. And with this one there, you don't have problem, you can keep your thing outside until 6 months. You are good to use it even if it is up to 6 months. But this I know is not going to, I don't know whether it will be up to even 1 month, or I don't know, because I'm using, my daughter is going to be using, so I don't know whether it will be up to 1 month. But I don't want to put it inside the fridge. Actually, at least I want it to be outside in case we did not finish it in time, so that it will not going to be standing like I have to throw it away and make new one again. No, so that if we did not finish, definitely we can still continue using it until we finish using it. So my people, maybe someone may ask why that leave-in conditioner is important. To me, leave-in conditioner is very important, because leave-in conditioner is just like a daily moisturizing food for your hair. You know, daily you have to moisturize your hair. It's just a food. If you don't eat, how are you feeling? Your hunger, your stomach is empty, you are not feeling well. See how creamy my leave-in conditioner is looking. Look at how it's powering. That's the way that if you use it for your hair, this is the way that you are going to benefit something from it. So it's just like a natural moisturizing food for your hair in daily, because it will keep your hair hydrated and lock the moisture in, reduce breaking, and make your detangles, your hair detangles, make it easier, and also protect your hair from harming or hurting sun. When sun is, actually, if you don't cover your hair, if there is sun damaging, it's going to protect it. And also dryness from your hair is going to help you to keep the hair without dryness. And using it naturally, leave-in conditioner help your hair stay healthy and manageability. And also it's full of life. That is how I'm going to say about this my leave-in conditioner. Not only this one, normal leave-in conditioner, that's the base, or the importance of it. Okay, I don't know how the good English that I'm going to put. That's the importance of using it. Guys, look at how this thing I'm putting is very soft inside my hand, how it's shining. Look at my hand, look at how my hand is shining. This is the way that is going to be shining our hair. Please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. This channel is all about DIY things that I'm doing, how to take care of your hair and also your beauty, how to take care of your body, your skincare, those things that I'm doing. So before you subscribe, you have to know what I'm doing in this channel. And when you subscribe, don't forget to click the notification bell. Anytime when I come, you will get back to me. Bye.